Arai ilosijo ka akeje arai motoka oibuga soroti mamije swaki awanyuna sokotoron isharakina orotin kai ngarene naidukai itungaluipu kesimame jenete atiokisho nweyau nit aichaka sokotorono taitai Julius Segu Apollo kitona tukotona rotakie mutoko teso kakara moja kojena kwapete kama ngesedio pete kotomotunga lumami yalamasi kanuat sokotoron nuileleba oibuga soroti.
Issues of plastic pollution are really becoming serious, especially in our Soroti city, and something has to be done about this, because if nothing is done at all, it is going to cause us problems in terms of environmental degradation, and this may not be good for the future and the future generations.
Achaka sokotorono taitai ngese Emunamunaete Alupok ka aila na boisho woko kwa ineritor esegu kaluche itunga.
Plastics are not good for the soils. Uganda is predominantly an agricultural country. You cannot afford to have plastics in the land that you plan to till, in the land that, in any field that you plant, that you plan to use either for crop production particularly. You cannot afford to have plastics. Even if you wanted to plant trees, as long as the place is so much infested with plastic bottles, it is definitely going to degrade the soil. It affects soil fertility, and then they are not easily decomposable.
Idone rona kere ngesi na meja sa Alupok amuna ra Alupok ai mikedo akipinwe do aloma to Alupok osala ke da kipingune ikale ke so kipingunu kujuneni ogeone te isero aloma to mawore e uri aro sesero abe yaone te malaria adeka sine nada obe yauni ibore ne pola amokya ajena obera ine site oje ja Alupok no ekori kirijo de period akori kine kone bo pera akori kinyo so Acupai mame chama kinete akorira na polo otoma yauni ira na polo erasulu eroko
Icheitunga kesi ejiraete enyadu kotomai dutwa sokotoron no itwasamatai kano agwelanar
Acupai no ilareti due kwesi labne ret begeleso ngoda lopele ilari kwesi ikesa jike se factory na mambe mesiala area kwesi
isiriginde gulare kile dopete
agwela ngina ngina at 700 akwata kanyare kilo konyene agweli ngoisi na kwata
erae pelu woko kwa peitunga aidara boisho woko kolaete.
So as an organization, we are encouraging the owners of shops where beverage drinks are sold, and also the general public, that it is important for us to play a very critical role in ensuring that we find a better way of collecting these water bottles, bottles of soda, and which are plastic in nature, and find using them.
Kanuka TV East Alfreda Tuao Kobuga Soroti.